Another vlog, another day. Dito kami ngayon sa Knaresborough. Mag-Knaresborough kami ni Lilo ng family. Ayan sila mama, si Shane nasa loob pa, tsaka si Seth. A day in the life tayo dito sa Knaresborough. Tour around the city. Ano makikita dito sa Knaresborough. At yun lang. Tapos kakain kami, pipiknik-piknik kami. Let's go! Masaya to. Bye! So first stop, Knaresborough Castle tayo. Knaresborough Castle. Welcome to Knaresborough Castle. Yan yung history niya. Yan history. Late lang eh. Nasa taas lang yung Knaresborough. Sa tower. Tingnan natin kung ano meron sa loob. Dito na sila Shane. Late lang ano. Ang Game of Thrones ang dating eh. Nice. Pwede kami mag-picnic dito. Diyan oh, sa gitna. Picnic time. Saan na Shane? Ayos pala ba?
That was fun.
Ganda. Puno-puno. Dito siguro dito kami titambay. Magpipiknik kami o kaya dun sa ibanda dun sa gilid. Alright, parang laki ang ano na nung castle ano. Ganun. Baka natin. Woo! Stone Age. Mas may daw ba yun sa gilid? Nice. Solo ko din yung asawa. Solo. Date kami sa Knaresborough.
Date mula dun sa upuan hanggang dito sa ulo.
Ano, mami, puti na yung mga balbas ko. Papahabain ko pa naman.
Buti pa yung balbas mo, pumuti na. Ikaw hindi pa.
Kaya, mitim na nga ako, mitim. Oo nga, maganda nga. Kaso, yung view, matatakpan kapag nagpicture ka.
Okay, pipicturean mo lang ito. Ito yung
yung gilid lang. Ayun.
Ito.
Diba?
Ayan. See?
Ganda. Laki ng castle. Welcome to Knaresborough Castle. May bayad ba to? Yung sa loob. Yung sa loob niya. Ito yung castle. Tapos ito na yung ano. Ayan no. Ganda. Ganda dito. Ayan no. Yung ano, yung bridge. Ganda ng bridge. Ganda. Picture na yung aking green woodpecker. Ano ba? Green woodpecker.
Ako yung sinasabi.
Ganda dito. Ito itong pwesto nyo.
Kinuha ko sa Ate Cecil, nasa Go Apes sila.
Ayun.
Gusto ko nga din si Seth pumunta dun sa Go Apes.
Umalis na sila?
Oo.
Kami nagpo-boating sa baba.
Pwede nga din mag-park dun eh.
Dami nagpo-boating sa baba.
Ayun yung parking daddy o. Ayun. Sa baba.
Pero okay na dito kasi nandito yung castle. Tanong mo agad, hindi na tayo aakyat, diba? Okay din dito mag-park. What do you think about the Knaresborough? Is it good? Cool?
Do you like it?
You like the place?
Do you like the view? Do you like the place?
Nice. Good job. Yung kasama natin, nagkandata, mami. Yung kasama natin, nagkandata.
Ano ba to?
Kandata.
Ganun mo nga muna. Ganun mo muna.
Ito, picture kami rito. Ganda, oh. Ayun, tinan mo yung view. Tinan mo yung view dun sa likod. Grabe. Actually, yung bridge na yan, working yan. Yung train dyan dumadaan. Yung, parang train na train na papunta yata na Manchester. Yung train na papunta na Manchester yan dyan dumadaan. Feeling ko, hindi ko alam eh. Basta working siya. Working train. So, yung mga train na ginagamit talaga.
You mean train that goes
Yeah. Let's go over there.
that in the bridge?
Yeah, in the bridge. Look at that. Ganda. Baka dito na lang kami mag-picnic din, mamaya. Dito kami kumain afternoon ba. Siguro bago na kami umalis, tsaka kami kakain para settle na rin. Ikot-ikot muna kami dito sa town. Hanapin namin yung yan ba yun? Painting pot. Parang ganun, painting pot. Tapos mag-ano kami, saan ba? Sa baba? I guess so. Kasi kita yung yung sa baba. Painting. Yun lang. So ikot-ikot, hanap kain, ganun. Ayun sa ito, look at the train. Working train. Ano ba yung train na yun? Hindi yata yung train na dumadaan ng Palids, mami, di ba? Hindi ba yun? Ganda, yung mga ibon. Kito, ibon. Stig. Look, mayroon siyang memorial ba tawag dyan? Memorial site. Sila siguro yung parang mga sundalo sila eh, oh. Sundalo. Lance Corporal. 1914 to 1918. Kaya nga. From war? Baka sa war.
That's it. Well, look at all.
This is from the war.
Here.
Gara ng chain, ah. May mga tusok-tusok pa ba yun? Yung chain, may mga tusok-tusok pa. Ha? Yeah. Pero totoo yan, no? Tignan mo, totoo yan, no? Yung bulaklak, oh. Buhay na buhay yung mga bulaklak. Diba? Galing. Part pa rin to ng Knaresborough Castle. Ito, itong inaanoan na to. Kinatatayuan na to. Knaresborough Castle pa to. Laki. Tara, balik na tayo. Punta tayo dun sa sa...
Ayan o. Ayan yung baba.
Ito. Naku nga. Kaya maikli lang. Tatry namin bumaba. Tapos punta kami dun sa... Unahin muna natin yung pot making. Tsaka hindi ko rin alam kung ano oras magsasara eh. Let's go. Ito sa pot making muna kami. Palawa namin yung map. Punta kami ng painting pots. So 1 minute. Ayun lang, dyan lang. Mami, right dito.
Daddy. Nakakawag siya na ako dito.
Pao ka ma. Sorry. Let's go. Painting pots. Here we go. Ito kami rin eh. Dito kami nag-park. Sa tabi lang ng Knaresborough Castle. May parking space dito. Maganda yung parking space actually. Tabi na siya. Kung pupunta kayo dito sa Knaresborough, pinakamaganda mag-park dito. Diyan. Kasi nandito na kayo sa taas. Hindi na kayo akit para mag-park. Let's go. Yung si Mami, hintayin natin. Let's go. 1 minute walk. Entrada ng Knaresborough Castle. Yan. Yung dun kasi sa kanina, yun yung side eh. Yan, Knaresborough Castle. Ito yung entrada niya. Diba? Ayan yan. Papunta papasok. Knaresborough Castle. So we're here. Painting pots. Ito, painting pots. Ito kami sa painting pots. We're in the middle. Mami, ice cream oh. Ice cream. Brian mo ice cream. Let's go. Nice. Yeah, I think so.
It's a beautiful idea.
Yeah, keep
Should we have them up? Really? You want to
Let's paint. Give me your.
Thank you.
Give me a chance.
You want to try it? Take it home in the Philippines. Yeah?
I think I like I love the love sign. This one, cute. Ganda na. Pang dun sa table na. Pang dun sa table. Yeah? Ganda na ito. Pang dun sa table. Pang dun sa ano, Mami? Dun sa...
How much is it? Go for it.
It's going to take 2 weeks for the process.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
You're gonna contact us. Yeah, what we do is once it's been through, come up with a 2 bags. We'll send you a text.
Cute. May pala ka pa, we.
I-debate ko.
Oo, maganda yung dali dun sa ano sa...
Dun sa harap, sa may ano, sa may tabi nung... Sa may ilaw, dun sa may halaman. Tabi nung... Para every time na meron...
Their names in it.
Oo.
Like that one, no?
Saan?
Here. Look.
Name na lang. Tapos, i-ano natin.
I know that. Name yung...
Can you please bring the bag?
Ikaw mag-design, Mami. Sige. Ikaw mag-design. Love. Ito pinili namin. Lalagay namin din sa gilid.
Doon pala ang
Painting sa taas. Nice.
Sige, ako nasusunod mag-debate lang.
Sige lang. Home of the great. Kahit tayo ice cream. So, painting kami. Painting kami. Painting pots. Love. Love.
Yeah. 3 layers is what we say. If you have a look behind, layer on with 3 layers on. Specialist glazes. We've got Princess Party, so that is the one in the PP bottle. Goes on white, then it comes out all like it pops from the kiln base. This is the closest you'll get to glitter. It's fairy dust, and it's in this one here. So if you want silver, there is silver. There is silver in here. I'll sort that out. Gold is in that one. You can just let me know if you want silver, and I'll see what I can find. If you want to design anything, you can use a pencil to draw on it, and it will come up in the pen. Any questions?
Like writing names.
Yeah, if you want to write any designs. Yeah?
Yep.
Which one do we use for the letters? If we want to write on it.
So we've got a box of fine writing.
That's there.
Okay,
They're a bit... So, try and keep the pen with...
Lagyan mo tayong base color
Anong
tapos...
base color gusto mo?
Hindi, iba-iba siya. Iba-ibang
Which one is
kulay.
your favorite color, Kuya?
Parang pastel na color, ma'am. Iba-ibang kulay. Green, blue, yellow, and red. Parang ano, tapos dyan na.
What's your favorite color, Kuya?
Brown.
No, your favorite color. Kuya.
Go, Seth. You can start now.
Start now. Here's your ano.
Ikaw, Lilo. How about you, Lilo?
Name mo, name ko. Set ko si Lilo. Lilo yung yellow. Si Lilo yellow.
Let me see. Let me see,
This
Kuya.
is the green.
Let me see your artwork.
number 5. The apple green. Parang medyo pastel.
Very
Kuya. Kuya, what color do you want for your
Name.
red lotion? Si Lilo yellow. Mine is the purple. Green ka.
Bakit yung purple mo ang light?
Eh,
I think number 11 yung purple.
yung pastel lang yung pastel na kulay.
Pinagan yung love para sa kanilang mag-anak. And then Kuya said is painting for a Morphman. Are you guys having fun?
Artist.
Kuya, who's that? Tell me who that is. What's the name of your figurine? Morphman. Is he the one from Aardman? How about Archop? Tingnan ko nga, maka-art ka naman. Tingnan ko pinagagagawa mo. Wow. And the best art goes to Lilo. Lilo. Diba? Siyam na buwan kong ginawa yan. San pa kayo? Ay, hindi. Siyam na buwan kong ginawa. Hindi. Siyam na buwan ko palang ginulma sa loob. Tsaka ito. Yan ang best art ko. Best art ni Mami yan. Tingnan ko na yung pintar. Galing ha. Anong color yun?
Kakapintura.
Pastel. Puro pastel.
Nasanay ako sa tatay ko. Pipintura ang bubong.
Huwag mong tapalan ha. Mama, may lagyan mo pang bulkasil yan.
Yeah.
Ang galing naman ni daddy ko. Tsaka ni kuya, oh. Ang galing. Are you
Tapos
an
yung bakante,
artist?
sila ka na.
Are you an artist? Hala. Kuya. Seryoso si kuya eh. Tingnan na si Lilo. Tingnan na. Si Lilo. Ay nako, tulog. Kung nag-paint na lang sa panaginip. Nag-paint sa panaginip yung ano. Ay nako, kawawa naman. Kuya, parang saya-saya mo, kuya. Are you happy, Seth? Yeah. Are you having fun? Are you enjoying your artwork? What are you going to call? What are you going to call him, kuya? Just Aardman? No, don't call him Aardman. Kasi what if they hear about it, you call that Aardman? Aardwoman. Morphman. Morphman. He looks just like you, kuya.
And then what's the next? Oh, what's the next?
Huh? What's the next? That's for Kuya Seth, the red one. Red is your color, Kuya, no? You want red for you? And then for Lilo, we'll have yellow. Ang habit na si Lola. the final result. What's yours, Daddy?
I made love.
Oh, wow.
So, meron tayong may 4 colors. You have the green, the purple, the red, and the yellow. Every color represents our favorite color. So, mine is green. And Shane, Seth, and Lilo. Lilo hindi pa makapag-choose pero
yellow na lang siya.
We chose yellow for you. This is mine.
And at the back, we put the date today.
Knaresborough. August 10, 2020.
And yours, Kuya, tell me something about your artwork. So, yeah, speak louder. So this is
Morphman. His from Oddman Animations.
Oddman
Animations.
Oddman. British.
So his name is Oddman.
So his name is Oddman? Because he looks like Mothman. Is it Mothman?
No.
Morph.
Morphman.
Oh no, I remember his name, Morphe. Remember?
Morphe?
Is it Morphe? I don't know. Are you happy with it? I love it.
Oh, good job. Oh, and do I see a little bit of artistic mixing paints there? Love it.
Well done, Kuya. Thank you.
Have you enjoyed it?
May cave, oh. Dungeon. It's the dungeon. May dungeon dito. Ayan, oh. Sallyport exit. This is the exit from the... okay. Dito sila lumalabas. You know from the... Yung mga... Pag may war. That's where the exit. Let's go. Kain kami doon. So, follow namin yung yung signs, waterside and boating dito. This way. Let's go, Seth. Very spooky. Tara, kami na ng tao dito. Oh, parang park. This is the park. Where are you going? Here.
You know what? This more looks like Legoland, where first time we came here, and there's Legoland, and we came here.
Legoland Windsor. Pool dito sa baba. Hindi pala dito set. Hindi dito. Tara, let's go.
My shoe.
That's alright. It's okay.
Oh man.
Oh, wag. You can wipe it with your towel later. Miniset. Pag nandito ka sa castle, hindi ka makakababa. Kasi pag bumaba ka, may public na pool. Ang liit. May pool na maliit. Pero hindi ka makakababa kasi masyado malayo. Dito sa kabila kami dumaniset.
Oh my god.
Yeah, let's go. Ay, ito,
Are we just going to eat?
Yeah, we're just going to eat. I'm just going down there to the riverside. We're going to check the riverside. If there's a way here. Look, ayun yung river. Ayun yung bridge. Titingin kami dito sa gilid kung may daan dito sa gilid. Kasi dun sa kabila, walang daan eh. Try namin dito. Ito pala yung daan. Papuntang riverside. See? It's riverside. I'm not asking. I'm just telling you. Oh man. It's gonna be all the way up. Whee! Careful, dude. Nice. Look at that. Alright. Nandito, galing kami doon kanina sa taas na bumaba kami ni Seth. Sila mami hindi na sumama kasi masama na yung pakiramdam nila eh. Kaya kami na lang ni Seth. Ganda dito. Nice view.
Nice view.
Ganda ah.
Ganda.
Boat ride doon.
Boat ride.
Boat ride.
Boat ride.
Marigold na...
Ferry boat.
Ito isa sa mga... Isa sa mga parang tourist spot na parang restaurant here, yung Marigold. Tapos mag-boat ride dito. Boat ride sila. Tapos may mga... Oh, there's a... One ice cream again?
No.
Don't want ice cream. Tapos may cafe.
Go up.
Tapos, hindi ko alam kung ano meron doon sa kabila. Siguro same lang din. Same. Puro ice cream shop. Daming ice cream shop. Ito, ice cream shop din.
We're going with Mom. Dad, we're going
Ice cream shop. Tapos dito, the Black Mulberry Cafe and Terrace. Nice. Basta sarado na. Marigold. Ito, sarado na din. Yung shop. Kasi sa taas. The antique shop. Antique shop. Yung Marigold na ice cream. Buy natin si Mami na ice cream. We can go now. We can go. Let's go.
Go home?
Yeah, we can go upstairs now. Tara, akit na kami. Alright guys. That's it. So dito ko natatapusin yung aming vlog. A day in the life dito sa Knaresborough. Sama si Mami, si Shane, si Lola Mers, si Lilo. Yan. Nag-quick tour lang kami dito sa Knaresborough. Yun lang guys. See you again next time. Like, share, and subscribe. Kaya naganda. Stay safe and live happy. Bye!